Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate LinkedIn with Zapier. This is a fantastic way to schedule your LinkedIn posts in advance, saving you time and helping you maintain a consistent presence on the platform without having to manually post every single day. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but if you're already a user, just enter your login details and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation. Zapier works by connecting different apps together, and each connection is called a Zap. You're essentially creating a workflow that will run automatically based on the conditions you set. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so we need to choose what will kick things off. In the search bar, type in Schedule by Zapier and select it as your trigger app. This tool allows you to schedule actions to happen at specific times, which is perfect for automating your LinkedIn posts. From the trigger event options, choose every day and then click Continue. This means your automation will run once every day at a time you specify. On the next screen, set the time you want your post to go live, select your time zone to ensure everything runs at the correct moment, and click Continue. This step is crucial because it ensures your content goes out when your audience is most likely to see it. Now click Test Trigger to confirm everything is working correctly. Zapier will run a quick check to make sure the schedule is set up properly. Once the test passes, click Continue to move forward. Next, click the Action button. The action is what happens after the trigger fires. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and select it as your action app. This is the platform where your content will be posted automatically. Choose Create Share Update as the action event. This option allows you to post updates directly to your LinkedIn feed. After selecting it, you'll need to connect your LinkedIn account. Click Sign In under LinkedIn, and a pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your credentials and then grant Zapier the necessary permissions by clicking Allow. This step is essential because it gives Zapier the access it needs to post on your behalf. Once connected, you'll see a text field where you can type your post content. For example, you might type Hello World or whatever message you want to share. If you're using dynamic data from other apps, you can map that information here as well. After entering your content, click Continue. Finally, click Test and Review. Zapier will post a test update to your LinkedIn account so you can verify everything looks correct. Check your LinkedIn feed to make sure the post appeared as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish to activate your automation. And there you have it, you've successfully automated your LinkedIn posts using Zapier. Your content will now go live automatically every day at your chosen time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.